Anyways, it's a different story.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're in Santa Clarita.
And we're checking out... I'm going to let you take this one.
Say it.
No.
Say it. We're checking out Toppers Pizza. He was going to say something else.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I heard it's a dope spot. It's really like an old school Pizza Hut sit-in type of pizza joint. Is that right? From what I hear? I guess you'll find out.
You're gonna find out. Let's chill. Let's go.
Follow us.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
So we're at Toppers Pizza in Santa Clarita.
Did you say topless?
Not topless. Toppers. You know his mind's in the gutter right now. It's Mother's Day tomorrow, by the way.
Oh, it is.
So get it back.
Yeah,
Get it back.
Shout out to all my mothers out there.
So this place, you can basically order different toppings on pizzas. They got a salad bar too. Cool little spot. You can
really
watch
nice
games.
view of the Magic Mountain Parkway in Valencia Boulevard. It's pretty dope. And again, I did mention Chive TV, right? Yeah.
What he's talking about, Magic Mountain Parkway, it's the street. It's not actually Magic Mountain.
If they're local, they know, bro.
They might not be.
I guess not. But they can look up Toppers.
Anyway, it's a cool place to watch the game. So they got sports playing all day.
But if you guys ever been to Pizza Hut back in the day, like when you could actually go sit inside of Pizza Hut, this is what it reminds me of. So it's pretty dope. They have a salad bar, music playing, got your beers over here, IPA, and you got your pepper and Parmesan shaker. So what do we get?
We got the Meatinator.
This is vegan friendly.
Yeah, it's all soy.
No, we're lying. There's like what? You got Italian bacon, Canadian bacon, or Italian sausage, Canadian bacon, chorizo, pepperoni.
Italian sausage.
I said that right.
More sausage, more bacon.
That's your favorite, huh?
A lot of people in Santa Clarita rave about this place. They say this is the best pizza spot.
Look at that. You see the test? That's the crust test. It's got a little give to it. You see it?
They're generous with their toppings, huh?
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, the crust has like this crunch to it.
Yep.
Oh. And if you see it? It
holds up.
It's not burned. That's the biggest thing. It's not burned.
I like that.
This is a real good pizza.
Normally I'm a pepperoni and pineapple kind of guy, but not everyone gets down like that. Not everybody's a gangster. You know what I mean?
I fucking hate pepperoni and pineapple.
I know. Because you're not a G. Real G's do pineapple and pepperoni together, bro.
My 5-year-old nephew.
Gay!
I like it.
I like the fact you can come in here and sit down. It's a very family-friendly place. Minus me over here saying topless.
I think the biggest thing I like about it is like just the crust, like how the pizza crust is cooked. Underneath the pizza, you know, you can tell. Like, I go to a lot of pizza spots, it's burned, and then so it really kills the experience for me. They cook this perfectly, and then they're generous with their meats, so I can't complain.
And it came out in probably, I want to say, 10 minutes, the most, which is pretty dope.
Cooked to order too.
Yeah.
Fat. So,
very popular spot. So if you're, I don't know, if you're going to Six Flags for the day, and you're hungry after because you don't want to pay all those crazy prices for food, this is a spot to come to.
And one of the employees told us, so there's this little hack they taught us. So you can get the Meatinator instead of the red sauce, you get the garlic sauce, and you put honey on it.
What do they call it though? The Sweetinator.
Sweetinator.
Yeah. So we got to come back and try that one. He said an employee came up with it about 2 years ago and it's really popular. So if you're down, come try it out. Let us know.
Yeah.
hit us up when you do, so you know what it tastes like.
Yeah, let us know. I want to try that. If you have a picture of it, take a picture, tag us.
We'll put it on our story.
We're gonna enjoy our pizza, but before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put out videos just like this.
Share this with your family and friends.
They're gonna love it.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.